guys! Good morning and welcome back to my channel! Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin is cauliflower fried rice. Okay? So, of course, the store is a cauliflower. Guys, super cheap ng cauliflower dito. I think it's just $3. Sa Manila, mahal-mahal ang cauliflower doon. So now, we're gonna make this cauliflower into cauliflower fried rice. So, link the card. I will attach the card here. Pati sa end of this video, I will attach the video kung saan nyo makikita kung paano ko ginawa itong cauliflower rice. So, before the lockdown happened here in the US or sa Missouri, we bought a bunch of cauliflower and ayaw namin siyang masira agad kasi ang laki, diba? So, ang ginawa namin, we made into cauliflower immediately and then we froze it so that anytime we have a batch of cauliflower rice. So, simple lang. Cauliflower fried rice, alternative mo lang siya for rice if you're doing keto or low carb, di ba, or you're trying to lose weight, ngayong quarantine. Okay, so you can alternate, pwede mo itong gawing effective alternative. Yep. So, basically, the taste, it's good. The texture, medyo of course, kaiba siya sa rice. And of course, siya ganun nag-expand. And I know you're saying na mas mahal yan kaysa sa rice. Guys, health is wealth. Diba? Mas mabuti ng ngayon, alagaan mo ngayon rather than pagtanda mo sisingilin ka. So, other reason why we have or why we're doing cauliflower fried rice, kasi may mga extra kaming bacon. So, kung sawa ka na sa spam, corned beef, hot dog every day, why not give it a twist? Why not have a healthier twist? So this is turkey bacon, so that's lesser fat than pork. But yeah, so leftovers namin to. So kesa masira, diba? Kasi itapon, sayang i-recycle natin. Right? So and at the same time, we will need eggs for the fried rice, onions. We also freeze our onions para hindi masira agad. And then, green onions, okay, for garnishing. And then we have garlic, we have olive oil, and then soy sauce. So, if you're doing like really strict keto, you can get cocoa aminos. So, cocoa aminos available in healthychoices.ph, link in the description below. So, you could order your cocoa aminos. It's your perfect toyo substitute. Lalo na, for example, kung may high blood ka, hypertension, it's very low in sodium, but it's a perfect, again, soy sauce substitute. So, first things first, okay, pa-fast forward ko na lang, sabihin ko na lang, no? Kailangan i-chop natin to, okay? And then, na-to ko na to, so medyo malambot na siya. So, tatanggalin ko na siya sa plastic, then ilagay ko siya sa pan para matanggal yung water, mag-dry up siya. Okay? Okay, taste test with my #1 taste tester.
I'll always eat.
Okay, so define the texture of cauliflower rice. I'm trying to make you healthier.
Yeah, because you think I'm fat.
Nope.
What do you mean define the texture? I mean, it's kind of
compared
like
to rice.
it's a little bit like overcooked rice, just a little overcooked rice. Like it's softer than rice.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Okay, that's
What did you want me to say?
nothing.
So I feel
So
like
taste
there's
it.
something leading up there.
Taste it.
Okay, yeah.
Hot. Okay.
Very good.
Okay, so there you go, guys. Be healthy, stay safe during quarantine. Bye.
Bye.